In this video, we will talk about classification of computers. Classification is simply the process of identifying and grouping computers into predetermined groups or categories. We can also say they are simply the types of computers or the classes of computers. We have various classifications of computers, starting from the classification of computers according to their operating principles and mechanisms. We have the digital computers, the analog computers, and the hybrid computers. Secondly, we have the classification according to their size and capability. Here we'll talk about the supercomputers, the mainframe computers, mini computers, and the microcomputers. In the third classification, we will talk about the classification according to purpose or application. Here we'll have to talk about the special purpose computers and the general purpose computers. On the fourth classification, we'll have classification according to the number of microprocessors. Here we'll talk about the sequential and the parallel computers. In the fifth classification, we'll talk about the single user computers, the multiple user computers, and the network computers. And finally, we'll talk about the classification according to the word length. Now, in this video, we have listed the 6 types or classification of computers. In our next video, we'll talk about them one by one, starting with the first classification, which is classification according to the operating principles and mechanisms.